Here are the top 3 credit cards for college students in 2025. First, Capital One Saver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card shines for its generous cashback rewards, especially for students who frequently dine out, shop for groceries, or enjoy entertainment. You'll earn 8% cashback on Capital One entertainment purchases, 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, eligible streaming services, and grocery store purchases, and a 1% back on all other purchases. It also has a $50 welcome bonus after spending $100 in the first 3 months. However, keeping track of multiple bonus categories can be challenging for those new to credit. Second, Discover It Student Chrome. This card is a great choice for students who want a simple and straightforward reward system. It offers 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and a 1% cashback on all other purchases. The standout feature in a Discover's Cashback Match program, where they automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year, effectively doubling your rewards. Third, Discover It Student Cashback. This card offers a unique rotating bonus category system, allowing you to earn 5% cashback on different categories each quarter, such as grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more. You'll earn unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. Like the Discover It Student Chrome, it also has the Cashback Match program, doubling your rewards at the end of your first year. Which is better? It depends on your spending habits. Always remember to check the latest terms and conditions and eligibility requirements before applying for any credit card.